Peace out, guys. Today I got a special review for you guys. I got a big car seat, not very big, but a big car seat car here. I think this is not really a monster trucky on just normal car, go to vacation, and it shines. Let's go forward. Let's do this. Let's see the car. Wait. I need to open the switch. So I'm gonna place the camera right in front. Here, I need a stand on. There's carpet. So I'm gonna put this right here, and you're gonna see who he is. If you don't believe it really shines, so I need to from here. 1, 2, 3. Oh shit, the camera guys fall into the seat because I use a seat stand. This seat, trust this seat. Good job, buddy, good job. So she got this necklace. I buy it. It's like I'm in Malaysia, so it's almost like $5. If I can get not $5. So let's try it again. 1, 2. I'm gonna back up first. It only shines if you only go forward. Love, girl. I'm sorry, but it's like fall down and flip. Hold on. That's why this is from Thailand, guys. Want this? Buy it from Thailand. I think it's out of stock right now, but it's not me going. It's my wife, or it's not wife, dad or something. Yeah, that's the best way to show you light work. Or not. So, mom won't let me go out today, but I'm gonna make a course for you guys in the. Let's do it this episode. Let's do it. So there's a covered reach over the box to reach. So after that, before that, there's a fishnet. Not fishnet. There's this box. This is my dad's Barbie and sister Barbie whole box. So you'll follow and zoom. If you want to see the episode, make sure now. But like now. What? Oh. Like now, or I will not delay this track, this episode. But to make it more episode, I'll make it more harder by this cupcake stuff right here, right over here. So you're gonna dash it over. Like that's landmine. So let's There it is. 3, 2, 1. Oops, there's a sheet. Why did I? Oh, it's off. I think we push it like this. Start right there. I think we push this off every time.